Okay, today I'm going to review my new ice cream Play-Doh kit. Alright, let's open. Okay, look at this. We have an ice cream stand and we have all of this ice cream about everything. Whoa, look at this. I know there's something in here. Now there's something. Here's the instructions. And I need to rip this open. Boy, look at that. Hey! Hey! Ooh, I can see my fingers in there. Alright, so now I just need to open this. Come on. Alright. Alright. She looks cute. And we have all the parts. And I wonder what's in here. Oh, I can see what's in here. Okay. Oh, this is what I was waiting for. The double colors. There's gonna be another. The Play-Doh, more Play-Doh with the double cyan colors. Oh my god, this is huge. And that was the last one. Now what's in this packet? You know how things rip it, just a little road. And we got extra Play-Doh. Extra green, extra green. Alright, so we have all the Play-Doh. Alright, here, number 1. And all the way, you can just keep flipping them. And you can go through all the pages. That's the Play-Doh builders. And first I'm going to start with this W shape. A brownish colorish. Takes. Alright, so it's saying to smear all of the Play-Doh all over the inside. I'm not really good at Play-Doh, but don't worry, I can do it. Oh wow, falling. There we go, we have the humongous part. Alright, so we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna lift this and attach it right here. I don't have to worry about most of it. There. So here we go. We have that W shape and we filled it all with the brown Play-Doh that was required that we said. So moving on to the next step. It says to use and alright, we're still smoothing this out. You want it as smooth as possible. And you want to clear as much Play-Doh as there is on the sides, because then the next step that we're going to do requires everything to be smooth. And then the final roll. And now we can move on with this block, which we need to stamp it on this. We'll do that right now. And it's like you want to attach it onto the Play-Doh. Alright, so now we can open this. Whoa! Alright, so we need to wait. If it is coming the opposite direction, please go slow. And lift up all the Play-Doh. Uh-oh! And you can, now the next step. Alright, mine sort of broke, so we just need to replace everything back. And don't take it out even if yours are proper. Alright, so we will take out just the blue Play-Doh, so we just need a knife. Look at all all the blue Play-Doh. Alright, so we're gonna roll this out. Ow, I said out. I said out. Has a little design, so we're just gonna stamp that into this. And then there you go, we have a door. Ha! And attach it right there, and we want to make 2 of them because it says 2 doors. What else? Want to smush it and get that out. Oh, it's got a little squish. Doesn't matter. You can just fix that a little. And we can put this right here. With the 2 doors. Left it alone. Alright. The next step is to use the windows. And underneath it, this has a window. So we can just ow, yikes. And that should be good enough, right? Ick. So now that's ready. So now we can just stamp the window. Where's it? Alright. And that didn't cut even. Alright, so we're gonna, here gets the hard part. You need to lift it off. And the next one goes right here, as I'm making it symmetrical. Take out all of this. And this needs to be highly symmetrical. Alright. Stamp out. Alright, so we have 3 shapes of ice creams and we want to place them right underneath these 4 windows. This little scoops. Alright, so now we have completed all the windowsills and everything like that. We want to flip it over and take it out very carefully because you have all the accessories on this. Alright, did it. I'll bench and make that W again. How did you connect it? And there you go. See, this is what we want to do. Alright, so now we want to wrap it all around. These have special holes which are required where you want to click it on. Like squeeze all of it. Alright. Now just the back. So you want to stick it all over the place, even on the bottom. Now, next we're moving on to the ice cream where you lick the top off. So step 1, this. And you want to just fill in 1, 2, 3. These 3, you want to fill in just these 3. We need pink and green. just want that. Rip this Play-Doh. I'm going to rip up all of these. Now we need to do the green part. As you can see, we're done with the green part. And that's already done. And rip. And rip. Rip it. As we slowly roll it. And fill it in that, and so we can finish this up. All these glands should be connected because... Uh-oh, the circle came out. Come on. Oh, this one's not connected. Alright, I need to push this out. I need a pin pusher. Pin pusher, pin. This is kind of fun. Some of them fell off, don't worry. We can stick them all back on. We need this cage shape, and you want to attach all of these, and you want to attach it to like it's twisting in a spiral. So it doesn't matter how the top looks like all the way at the top. It just matters about the side, because there's another step which you need to brown, and you're gonna stick it on top. We need to keep this aside right now, for now. And now you want that brown. As you can see, we need this, and on the back of the thing that we made this out of has a little shape. I wanna cut that. My. Now we want to shape this out. There we go. That's your chocolate. You want to use a pin. It doesn't come with the set, but you can go faster with cutting with a pin. Now we want to attach this on, and you want to eventually put frosting all over it. Now these two go together, I guess. Do they go together? Mm-hmm. Yes, now we want to attach this on top of this. We're not done yet. There's plenty more to do. The next step after this, we need this thing that that comes on the shots on top. And you want to attach it right in between these two. And you got a little shelter thing. Moving on to the next thing is add the little cherry on top. Oh, you can add this cherry on top. There's nothing special about this cherry. So then you can choose any color you like to make the sprinkles, but here's what you can not do. You have to cut these up. Yikes. I'm gonna cut all these tiny little sprinkles. Okay, now we can start sprinkling, but you want to be very... I thought there was a sprinkler for this thing. You need to get up. Oh wow, I did more side. On the bottom of the ice cream thing, there's a pretzel, so you want to take that pretzel out and stick it on here. So cool. Ick. Look at it. Chocolate fudge, whatever. All right, so now we're gonna put more on top. Now that there's ice cream. Yikes. Ice cream shop has been built. Ice cream shop stand. The little cherry on top. Here is our ice cream stand table. Customer was eating the candy corn. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Bye, and thank you for watching my videos.